Hello, it's Living Natural Mama here, living naturally as much as possible and learning with my ups and downs and learning everything in between. dōterra essential oils to help control my health, my emotions, and get those toxins out of my home. Today I'm going to clean my refrigerator. I'm going to be using some natural products to be able to clean that refrigerator. So come with me and see how I do it. I always get motivated when other people do their cleaning. So to motivate me, I'm doing it for you. Forgive my voice. Of course, life happens and I lost my voice, but forgive me. If you guys like cleaning videos like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my videos come up. And the question for the day is, do you like to clean your fridge or not? I actually like to. It makes me feel like I have a brand new fridge. I hope you leave a comment below with the question below and watch and enjoy. Alright, you guys, the first thing I do is take everything out of my refrigerator. I don't sort it, I just take it out so I have a clean fridge so I know what I'm working with. Alright, here's my nasty fridge right now. There is so much gunk on here and I took that part off too. So I actually filled up the crisper buckets with 7th generation dish soap, and I added a couple drops of dōterra's On Guard, and I just started washing everything off. I started with the shelf and then realized it's probably more productive to go from the top and work my way onto the bottom. If you can see on the left side, I am actually listening to a YouTube channel. I love to listen to YouTube channels when I am cleaning, and so that is really good. They're shiny clean. I love having a clean fridge. Alright, and now I'm going to actually sort out a bunch of the food. I'm going to put some of it in the trash, stuff that we either didn't like or expired. So I'm going to look at all the expiration dates and make sure everything is good, and then put it away. I am all done. My fridge is clean. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.